Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to adjust your contrast in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But before I get into that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. As you can see, I'm in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app on the main page here. Here you can do all sort of things, but I'm just going to focus on adjusting contrast. Firstly, we're gonna click on the photo editor button. It's a blue button at the middle top. I'm gonna click on that photo editor. Here you have to choose your photo you want to edit. I'm gonna choose this photo of a random tattoo. And at the bottom you have these little buttons. You want to click on the adjustments and you have the contrast button highlighted with blue. Okay, and you have this little thing which you can move, and here you can adjust your contrast. You can make it really contrasted or not really. So you have the room for wiggle. Okay guys, so that's how you adjust your contrast in Adobe Photoshop. See you in the next one.